Greetings from Unihost.com. In this tutorial, I will show you how to configure time and date on CentOS 8 on the client side. The server side configuration isn't entirely different. NTP, Network Time Protocol, is a protocol for synchronizing the clock time on a server with a central time server. This video is based on the guide from our knowledge base. All commands and links listed in the description below. Let's start the installation process. Install and configure NTP Daemon in Rel 8. The NTP protocol is implemented only by the chrony daemon, provided by the chrony package. Enable chrony and start. Open chrony configuration file. Change to your own NTP server or others in your time zone. The full list of official NTP public pool time servers. Verify status. Install NTPStat. It's possible to display time synchronization status. Configure time zone. To make sure that the appropriate time zone is configured on the server. Get the list of all the available time zones. Set your time zone. And there you have it. Time and date were successfully configured on CentOS 8. If you enjoyed the guide and found it helpful, please leave a comment and subscribe for further videos. Thanks in advance.